Hello, today we're going to do an unboxing video from an Italian company called Watches. They're based in Naples. They were established in 2022 and they're currently taking the world by storm, and this is their Horizon Globetrotter in ghost white. The blue velvety box with Father's brand on the top of the logo represents two people extending arms as if passing down the watches from generation to generation. Open it up and we've got a thank you note from Luigi and Matteo, and we've got it in English and we've got it in Italian there. So they are the two founding fathers. Open it up, we've also go further. We have the fathers' instructions on the GMT with some nice pictures, 3 different languages, a couple of specs, and just a nice booklet there with the father's watch that we're looking at. We've also got a wallet inside, an embossed one, which comes with an ownership certificate. Then we turn it to the other side and we've got a warranty certificate. So we're going to open this up. Okay, I've already taken all the cellophane and packaging off on it. So this is the Horizon Globetrotter GMT. As we can see there, if I bring it up, it's got texture and it's got a smooth dial as well. The dial is handcrafted. They've done it using the oil press technique, and it comes with applied indices, and it's also got the superloma. Got a steel bracelet. Okay. On there. So steel bracelet, it's got AAA satin finish. Okay, we turn the case information to the back there. There we go, got more father's branding, which is quite tastefully done there. 6 screws to hold it all down. It's not quick release straps, but it is actually opened up there, so you can do it quite quick as long as you've got your tools there. Okay, it's also water resistant there to 200 millimeters. Okay, just put this on. I have a 7.5 inch wrist. Okay, I haven't taken any links out. That's a 7.5 inch wrist there, and you see there's quite a lot of space there, so that will probably go up to a 9.5 inch wrist, no problem at all. Me personally, I know that I need to take 4 links out. Okay, here we come on to the interesting bit. Father's brand have a European patent on their bezels. Okay, it's bidirectional, which is unusual because most of them are unidirectional, but this one is ceramic and it's also aluminium as well, and this is where the clever patent comes into play. Okay, because not many people at all, or if hardly any, have managed to make both available there. So this is the dial there, and a much close dial up there. But to show you how the bezel works, I've actually got the pictures, so that's it assembled. Okay, we move on to the next page. As you can see, it's a clever ring round there, so you get the ceramic and you get the aluminium bezel. There we go, there's a better picture there. Okay, and then we'll go to the third one, and that's the case with the bezel going on there. Okay. I also meant to point out as well, there is a lot of the faceting around the top there, which is absolutely brilliant. There we have it. That's the Horizon Globetrotter. If there were any, well, not bad points, but if there was recommendations for the next model, what I'd like to see is the fathers and Horizon to do that in the loom as well. That would be really, really good. And the pins for adjusting the strap there, I'd like to see them screwed rather than just a push pin. Yeah, it's very, very well made, very, very solid, but that's just me personally. But there we have it, a lovely, lovely watch there, and thank you for tuning in.